Hello everyone. Thanks for clicking on this video. Still struggling with your English speaking skills? Many folks study for years, but still find it hard to speak. Sound familiar? I've taught over 100,000 students, and trust me, this is a common struggle. Today, I'll reveal the 3 biggest reasons why people fail at speaking English. And stick around, because at the end, there's a simple 5-minute habit that can transform your speaking ability. First up, let's talk about fear. It's the biggest wall between your brain and your mouth. Picture this. You know what you want to say, but fear holds you back. I remember starting a new language. My mind would go blank the moment someone asked me a question. We all fear making mistakes. But guess what? That's a natural part of learning. Next up, let's tackle perfectionism. It can be your enemy when it comes to progress. Think about Alex. He knew so much, but was always silent. Why? He wanted everything to be perfect. Language isn't about perfection, it's about connecting with others. Remember, a baby falls while learning to walk. Here's a mantra: done is better than perfect. Just start talking. Lastly, let's discuss the swimming pool problem. Many focus solely on input. Input is essential, reading and listening, but output is where the magic happens. Imagine a guy who studies swimming but has never stepped into the water. He won't swim. Learning to speak English is the same. It's a physical skill. You need to practice. Look at your learning habits. Are you focusing just on input? Now, let's dive into solutions for overcoming these problems. Ready? First off, talk to yourself. You're your best speaking partner. Describe your day or what you see around you. It builds that bridge. Secondly, find a language partner online. Apps and websites make this super easy. Schedule a weekly call, 15 minutes each. It's a win-win for both of you. Finally, use English in real-world situations. Start small, like at a coffee shop. Just learn a few key phrases, and you'll feel the confidence boost. So, we discussed the fear, perfectionism, and the overfocus on input. Now let's recap. The solutions? Talk to yourself, find a partner, and practice in real life. Now, let's revisit the powerful habit I promised you. It's to talk to yourself. Why is this so powerful? Because it directly tackles all 3 problems. It overcomes fear. There's no judgment. You can practice without pressure. And just start with 5 minutes a day. Describe your room, your day. It's that easy. This small action, practiced daily, will build a strong foundation for speaking. Thanks for watching. Remember to keep going and keep growing.